Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ride With Me. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about my personal journey here in Vietnam. So, I moved here in 2017 after staying in Thailand for about a year, and I came to Ho Chi Minh City. I've been here for the past almost 8 years. It's been a pretty memorable experience as 2017 was a time right after President Barack Obama left office, and then we were introduced to our next two candidates. At that time, I decided that actually Thailand and then Vietnam, would be a great place to live. I originally wanted to explore different countries every year, for example, Japan, Korea, and other countries, but I came to realize that Vietnam had the best cost of living. It also had a good work-life balance. So other countries like Japan and Korea had a higher salary. However, their working lifestyle was quite stressful, it seemed. So I chose Vietnam because it has a good balance of work life and also, lifestyle balance. Some cultural observations I've noticed are the emphasis on family. In the Vietnamese language, there are words for grandma and grandpa and brother and sister within the language. So you call somebody, hey brother, hey sister. There's also a hierarchy of respect for elders. So the older people tend to have more of a say-so in certain situations. For example, in the countryside, the oldest male will usually be the first person to eat at family gatherings and dinners and things like that. So in daily life around Ho Chi Minh City, I usually go to work Monday to Friday from around 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And on the weekends, I can take some time to explore different restaurants and various cafes around the city. Around once a month, I'll take a trip somewhere a little bit outside of the city for traveling. travel tips as far as transportation include using the local ride-hailing service known as Grab, or you can also take a company called B. And there's also a new taxi company that uses electric vehicles called San SM. So just make sure that the license plate matches the actual vehicle when it arrives, to make sure that's your correct transport. For accommodation, popular options include Airbnb. And you can also book a hotel. We have a wide range of hotels from 5-star to 3-star and even 1-star hotel, depending on your budget and what you're looking for as far as amenities. Some of the most popular local tourist experiences include visiting the Mekong River Delta, which is only a few hours from Saigon, and also visiting various historical sites like the Chi tunnels, along with the War Remnants Museum and other sites in historic Saigon. Some technological advancements I've noticed in Vietnam have been the money system. So when I first got here, everybody seemed to use cash. And now, in recent years, there's been a major transition over to cashless payments, such as using Momo or using your bank on your phone, and other wireless transaction methods have become increasingly popular. Vietnam has contributed largely to the global stage as far as economic development. They sell a lot of electronic products along with foods such as spices, rice, and other things. So I'd like to invite you to share with us, have you visited Vietnam before? And where was the most favorite place that you visited? Or if you're planning to come here in the future, where would you like to check out? What things would you like me to show you more of? And what questions do you have that I can help make your experience a little bit better? I'd like to invite you to check out some of the other videos on the channel if you're new here, and give us a subscribe, a like, a follow. You can check out our Instagram and our TikTok page as well at Black Travel Man. I'd like to express my deepest gratitude for your support, and I encourage you to stay tuned for future videos. Until next time, take care, everybody. Looking forward to doing it again next week. All right, take care. Peace.